Hello, good morning. My name is Daniela Esther Contreras Medrano. Activity Unit 4. Interview a friends. Welcome to this interview. She is my friend Tania. Conversion question in present simple. Hello, Tania. What do you do on Kids Day? Usual work, study, and exercise. What you do on weekends? Every weekend, is usual read and watch television. What? How often you do visit your family? I go to my family 3 times a month. What you do like to do on holidays? It often spend time with my son with movies and goes to the park. What often you do go to the beach? I usually go to the beach when I had vacation from work. Conversion question in present continuous. What is your husband doing right now? Is they working or are they gym? What you do plan to do in the summer? Well, in I organizing to enter and dance academy. When are you going to graduate from college? After presenting the test pros in October. What you do plan to do after you graduate? After I graduate work and start saving money? What my your child be doing right now? My son is looking at his tablet or playing.